Welcome, in front of me is POCO F7 and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint properly. So first, open the settings and set up a new fingerprint for yourself by selecting Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Go to Fingerprint Unlock, draw your pattern and then or password, and then before you add a new fingerprint, you should make sure that you don't have any previous one installed, and if you do have, then remove them. And before adding a new fingerprint, let's wipe the surface of the scanner using a dry towel to make sure that it's smooth and it reads our fingerprints correctly. So take your time and wipe it carefully, then use your finger, place your finger on the scanner and proceed by adding a new fingerprint to your device. Add the edges and click done. And now, before we proceed, let's restart the phone by holding power key and volume up key at the same time and selecting reboot on the screen, and then wait until the phone restarts. We have to do this just to make sure that all the new settings applied. And once your phone is restarted, let's try to unlock it using the fingerprint that we just added. And as you can see, everything went smoothly, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.